Hi there, this is a turntable from Bang & Olufsen, bottoms up. I've decided to get rid of some of all this stuff in the workshop that I don't need anymore and that I maybe could turn into a little profit in the second-hand market. And the reason for it is that I've been watching all Louis Rossmann's great repair videos on YouTube, and I really want one of those AEM scope microscopes so I can get more into micro soldering. That would just be incredibly exciting, and I want to make room for another work table. Of course, this turntable is out of working order after many years, and the reason turns out to be the tempo shift mechanism. It is this spring-loaded reel. Now it's almost working now because I've been fiddling with it yesterday. But it was almost stuck, so that when I changed the tempo, it wouldn't move. It could move one way, but not down again like now. So what I want to do now is to disassemble this, give it a drop of oil, and put it all together and check if the drive belt is okay, maybe change it, and yeah, then sell it off. If you need this nice turntable, we could find out something. Check this out. This unit is supposed to be pulled by the tension of the drive belt, and it needs quite some force, so I think I'm going to work on this one as well. Maybe some oil or some grease. Well, this is nice. Let's find adjusting the tempo, and it's working like a charm. It's time to put this thing together, turn it the right way around, loosen the transportation security screws, and let's find a record, some music that won't put us into trouble. I'll find something to test it with. And have a look. The funny thing is that 5 years ago you wouldn't be able to sell a turntable like this. In fact, you might as well have taken it to the bin. But due to this vintage hi-fi movement, well, I think you're actually able to sell this off now and give it a good home. After I'm done with this, I hope to sell some of my paintball machines, 1 or 2, and then we'll take it from there. And as a little extra thing to throw in, I've got this new old stock of an SP14 pickup, and yeah, it's in original package and everything, but it's turned all yellow as the years has gone by. But well, it's nice, and I've checked both needles on the microscope, and yeah, they're okay, good as new. Actually, it's not that bad. I think we'll see if it's working. And I'll find a link on eBay to buy a new one and find out whether I'll just suggest the buyer to get a new belt or whether I'll change it before I sell it off. But it might actually work like a charm. And here's the cover. It's intact with the logo. It's gone a little yellow, and it's, yeah, it has got scratches, as you can see. But it's, all in all, it's fairly pleasant to look at. And the woodwork is very nice. Take the phone off the stand, off the tripod, and show you. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Some scratches here. Yeah. How about the tempo? And will it work at all? Let's plug it in and turn on this incandescent light so we hopefully can see the strobes. Not running at all. Yeah, it definitely needs a new belt. I can't pull this thing in. No, 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 no. Fail. So the thing is, when the pulley is on its right place, the belt is definitely too worn out. Before, when I tested the belt, this thing was out in this position. So yeah. I think I may have to take it apart and give it some oil or grease. It's not going to find its way by itself. But this one will definitely go. I'll find one probably on eBay and then continue this video when I'm ready with the new belt. Yeah, this pops off. It's just not going to do it. So yeah, I'll take up the filming as I get the new spare part. So see you later. I think I'm going to be naughty. Just for testing purpose, I've cut out a piece of the drive belt and I glue it together just because I cannot wait to see if this thing will work. Yes, another couple of days has passed, and I've received this from platennadel.de. A new drive belt. So out goes the old one. There's this great connection. Whoops. Yeah, what do you know? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will fit. I've lubricated this assembly so it moves much smoother and nicer now. And the force from the drive belt should be able to pull this to the axis of the motor. So hopefully it will all be in good working condition, so we can ship it off and make some money for the microscope. Actually, it's a more tight fit than I thought. It's tightened up quite a bit. I think it's great. This grease for piano keys seems to do the trick, and I'm not sure about exactly what it is. It's from Yamaha for electric pianos, for the keys, and I can like work it down here, and you could also use some barrier grease, I think. Just make sure that it's not acidic. I'm pretty sure this one is quite mild, and it's penetrating its own way through the bottom here along the edges, and yeah, doing what it's supposed to do, I think. Yeah, I think we can see it on the video. It's pretty clear here that the tempo is all right. I'll try if I can show you. It's crawling a little clockwise, and it should be because it's 33 and 1/3 rounds per minute. Yeah, that's just about right. And now for 45 revolutions. And no. It's not pulling in. Why not? Ah, it's it's all right.